Welcome to Benji's Home Videos with your host Benjamin, and today we're gonna be skating with the boy Sean. So we're just gonna have some fun on the skateboard for a little bit, and yes, I am in a football helmet. Actually, this is a great time to mention. This is a really fun time in my life, especially for a few of you BHV fans watching. High school football starting, so that's gonna be awesome. But today we're just gonna skate. I got the rail, and let's go, Sean.
All right.
Let's see something.
Whoa.
Nice, nice. I like it. I like it.
Hot.
Hey, let's see something else. Hey. Nice, nice. That's what I like to see. Hey, still pretty good though. Better than I can do. Get it, boy.
Oh, Lord.
Oh, he almost died. My friending, you almost died, my friending. My friending, do you eat those almost as part of a complete and balanced breakfast? Good job, good job. Hey, Sean, here. Take this. I'm gonna hit some. One more.
Is he gonna do it? Yeah! Woo! Yeah. Okay, Benji. Okay.
Now for the last one. Okay. And I think that's all we have time for today at BHV, but I'm gonna link Sean's Instagram so you can check out more of what he's got going on. I bet he's packing too. But that's all. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.